It was a quiet morning in Sarajevo, June 28, 1914. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, was on a goodwill tour with his wife. But to a group of Serbian nationalists, he wasn't peace, he was occupation. Austria-Hungary had annexed Bosnia, and the Black Hand, a secret group fighting for Serbian independence, wanted revenge. One assassin failed. But by fate, or by wrong turn, his driver brought the Archduke's car face-to-face with Gavrilo Princip. 2 shots, one to the Archduke, one to his wife, and in that moment, the fuse was lit. Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, Russia backed Serbia, Germany backed Austria, France backed Russia, Germany invaded Belgium, so Britain declared war. In just 37 days, the world unraveled, and World War I had begun. Over 30 nations, 70 million troops, more than 20 million dead, all from a single gunshot. The start of war. Drop a comment if this gave you chills. Like and subscribe for more real stories from the lost and found.